Welcome to Gerry's Gene Scene. Today I'm going to talk about a topic that's of particular interest right now, and that's astrobiology. Astrobiology is a multidisciplinary approach to the study of life in the universe. It includes astronomy, biophysics, biochemistry, chemistry, geology, and molecular biology. Looking at the way that light is being reflected may be one way of determining if organisms are living on another planet. A new very large project that's coming out of NASA Astrobiology and Yale University will be looking at the conditions that led to life on Earth. While others in the field of astrobiology have been creating DNA-like molecules to see if they can determine what alien life might look like. Young people might wish to get involved with the new Arecibo message. That's sending a message to aliens in space. But teachers might wish to discuss this with their students, as there seems to be a lot of ethical questions involved with the sending of a message. Astrobiology is an exciting new field. I'm Gerry Ward. I'm at genomealberta.ca.